Hi friends, as you know, WP Themes channel brings all top selected WordPress resources for you. To make your search easier and more effective, we have started a series of top selected WordPress themes for you, which will bring business wise, business category wise, selected and effective WordPress themes for you. In this video, we are going to show you the top selected WordPress theme for web hosting and WHMCS agency. So if you have decided to make a website for domain web hosting company, this video is going to be very useful for you. And before watching this video, please subscribe this channel, as you will never miss any WordPress update from us. Okay, so in this video we are going to watch 6 top selected WordPress theme for web hosting company or agency. So let us begin with Hostinza. Hostinza is a domain and WHMCS web hosting WordPress theme, and let us watch this on ThemeForest. Hostinza WHMCS web hosting WordPress theme has been developed by Xped Studio, and Xped Studio is Power Elite author. This theme was developed in 2018 and last update was done on 25th May 2021. Hostinza is a clean, isometric, modern and web hosting WordPress theme created for people with live passion for hosting business. This theme is highly suitable for IT business related providing hosting services, who may also be doing web design and networking. It is based on Elementor frontend and page builder and Revolution slider. It has all unique features which you need for a web hosting company. It comes with 5 powerful homepage styles, unique header and content, 20 plus unique design pages, and 5 plus pricing table style, and load more pricing table. I will show you the live preview of this theme. This is being the landing page of Hostinza, and you can select any WordPress theme for your website. Hostinza WordPress theme has multiple homepage variants. It is home version 1 to homepage 3, Rav Hero, and homepage version 4, 5, 6, and many more. So you can select any as per your need and choice. This is being a very wonderful WordPress theme for hosting and domain service provider agency. Now I will move to next WordPress theme for hosting agency. The next web hosting WordPress theme is Fox. Fox is WHMCS hosting WordPress theme, and it has also very great feature for a hosting agency website. So it can be well selected for hosting and domain service website. Let us see on ThemeForest. Fox hosting WordPress and WHMCS theme. This theme has been developed by WHMCS Desk, and it was developed in 2018, and the last update was done on 8th June 2021. It has all creative demos which you need for a hosting company website, and Fox theme for hosting business agency, and much more. It has multiple templates and advanced domain suggestions option and 15 plus premium Elementor widgets. Let us see live preview of this WordPress theme. This is the landing page of Fox Hosting. Let us see the demos. So it has multiple demos for your website. It is called Go, Shiny, Classy, who host SaaS, Startup, Super, Modern and Primary. So you can select any of these pre-made website for your hosting company, and it also uses Elementor Page Builder, which is a widely used page builder nowadays. It is responsive ready, options panel, automatic import, SEO optimized and premium widgets. And it has advanced domain checker as well, so it brings advanced search for domain. Let us move to next. The next web hosting WordPress theme is Fox UH Host, and it is a wonderful theme for web hosting and WHMCS website. Let us see. The Fox UH Host has been developed by Theme Squad and they are elite authors. The theme was developed in 2016 and the last update for this theme was done on 26 December 2020. It has 7 different hosting layouts: Creative, Light version, Classic, Light version 2, Classic 2, One Page, Classic 3 and Boxed version. So you can choose any of these pre-made website for your website. Let us see the live versions. These are the live version. I will show you one, Creative, and you can choose any as per your requirement and choice. This is one of the pre-made website using Fox UH Host, and it has a very wonderful and stunning look. You can see the modern design, pricing cards and features. It has a very standard and modern look to present your content on the web. The next web hosting services website is PureHost, and PureHost is a domain and web hosting service WordPress theme which is very suitable for your hosting and domain company website. Let us see. PureHost is a domain and web hosting WordPress theme, and it has been developed by SH Theme. SH Theme are elite authors. The theme was developed in 2020 only, and the latest update has been done on 2nd June as on date. PureHost is a creative, clean hosting responsive WordPress theme for your web hosting business, a creative agency, technology website or product website, any creative company website. It comes with unique pages, awesome slideshows, creative color uses. Let us see the demo website. And this is the demo website of PureHost WordPress theme, and it has all great features which you need for your hosting company website. These all themes which has been shown in this video are available on wpthemes.co.in website and on this channel as well. So you can watch the complete videos illustrating these themes and their features, installation process, demo import process. And now I have another 2 themes which is yet not listed on this channel, but in coming days it will be available on this channel for your review, and it will show you the features of those themes as well. So next is Elastic's hosting provider and WHCM's WordPress theme, and this is also a very wonderful WordPress theme for hosting company website, and it has been developed by Varga Theme and they are elite authors. The theme was developed in 2019 and the last update was done on 5th June 2021. Elastic is a creative, clean hosting, responsive WordPress theme for your web hosting business, a creative agency, technology website or product website. And WHCMCS available, all tools you need to start a web hosting business. Search and dynamic filter is available on this theme. Let us check this theme live. So this is the live website using Elastic's WordPress theme, and it has very stunning and clear look to present your web content, and it has inquiry form on the top of the page, and the rest of portions are very good. So let us move to the last selected web hosting WordPress theme, and these are not the rankings. This channel only brings the top selected in our opinion. It does not mean it has any rankings or something like that. You can choose any from Envato Market, I mean on ThemeForest website, but we have collected the best selected WordPress theme in our opinion. Let us move to next, and the last one is multi-host WHMCS hosting WordPress theme, and it is also very good, and it has been developed by Design Themes. Design Themes always brings wonderful WordPress theme, and they are of course Power Elite authors. The theme was developed in 2015 and the last update was done on 19th May 2021. The multi-host WordPress theme has 4+ powerful homepage styles with unique headers and content, and it has tons of customization with advanced bundle Buddha panel. Okay, and it is of course WHMCS compatible for perfect web hosting website. Let us see live. Okay, so this is one of the website using multi-host WordPress theme, and it has very wonderful look as always Design Themes used to make. So you can choose any of these theme for your web hosting company, and in the next video we are coming with top selected WordPress theme for another business category. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.